Welcome to this quick update on the Rand dollar exchange rate. Now, as per last week's video, I set a target of around 1280 coming out of this triangle which terminated in wave 4. But judging by how the market closed on Friday, which was yesterday, Friday the 30th of April, there is a likelihood that the market has bottomed, as what I see now is we have completed 5 waves after this triangle or completion of this triangle. Now the question is this 5 waves complete for wave 5, which would then see a bottom in place at 14.1487, or are we still in a downtrend? So in order for us to confirm that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the whole of this higher degree wave 5, we have to see the market break above the termination point of this triangle, which only comes in at 15.1032. So there's still some upside before we can confirm that this downside is complete and we are now in a reversal. If this is indeed the terminal point for wave 5, what are the implications going forward? So we now have to look at this market holistically from this peak at 19.3547 to this low at 14.1487, and then using the Fibonacci retracements. So what you see here are the Fibonacci retracement levels, and it's impossible to determine beforehand where the market will terminate, but using these levels we can estimate potential price zones. So the most common relationship between wave 2 and wave 1 in a forming zigzag is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which would then see the Rand weaken back to about 17.36. But like I say, it's impossible to forecast exactly where it will terminate. But the golden rule here is we shouldn't breach this 19.3547. So the market can even push up higher, or it can terminate even lower than this 17.36 before we see the completion of the higher degree wave B, and then we should expect wave C to come in. So in the short term, I am forecasting ZAR weakness. That is if this level at 14.1487 is indeed the bottom. Alternatively, we could have a situation where this bottom at just above 14 Rand is only the conclusion of wave 1, of wave 5, of wave 5, of wave A. So for this to remain true, this rally in the dollar ZAR should not breach this 15.1032. So what we would then have is a situation where we see this happening, where the market does push up but doesn't break above 15.1032, and then it reverses back down in 5 waves, or for wave 3, 4, 5, and this would then potentially take us to the 12.8 target that I had based on the triangle thrust measurement. So yeah, we are between a rock and a hard place, but this is the beauty with the Elliot wave principle. Even though you're not certain, but at a given point in time, when the market breaks through certain objective price levels, you will know which wave count becomes the operative one, and then you will discard the alternative wave count. So only time will tell. But yeah, it's always good to focus these things in advance, so when the market does breach those levels, you can trade accordingly and not be caught by surprise, or just trade for the sake of trading without having any directional bias. So that is it, and yeah, let's see, hopefully in the next week or two we will get some clarity as to what is happening. So, and that's it. Thank you.